Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we are going to look at this interesting Citizen Quartz watch, most likely from the 90s, with this tank rectangular case. So very nice and collectible piece. We have the simple white dial with all those gold tone accents. As you can see, we have very simple dots when it comes to the hour markers. We have Citizen Quartz written at 12 o'clock, and we have the gold tone watch hands. The watch case has a few minor signs of aging, but other than that, in very good condition with the gold tone crown. Something very interesting is that we have this 12-hour marker and the 6-hour marker on the outer part of the watch. So we have it on, let's say, kind of a bezel, as you can see here on the exterior. Then when we turn the watch around, there is something very interesting here, and that is that we have the signed Citizen watch back, but if you read right here, as you can see, it says assembled in Germany. This is the first Citizen Quartz watch that I have seen that says something related to Germany as being assembled in Germany. These watches are Japanese, so Citizen is a Japanese watch brand, and this is very rare to find, so this might be a very nice collectible piece. We have placed the watch on this burgundy leather brand new watch strap. We have the gold tone buckle in order to match the case. As you can see, we have a large selection of Citizen Quartz and mechanical watches from the 80s, 70s and 90s. So if you want to check them out, I'm going to leave a link in the description below to our website vintageradar.com. And if you enjoyed this type of content, guys, about watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials and watch reviews, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and I'm going to see you guys on the next one.